Hi everyone, welcome back to 10th standard maths class. We are learning the chapter coordinates. From the first activity, first three questions we have finished in the previous video. Now let's move on to next problems. Question number 4. The triangle shown below is equilateral. Find the coordinate of its vertices. Here in this question, one equilateral triangle is given. Equilateral triangle with a side as 4 centimeter. Okay, that means this is 4 centimeter. This is also 4 centimeter. We have to find the coordinate of other vertices. Okay, coordinate of vertices. This one, this one, this one. Let's mark the points as A here, B here. Okay. Now here coordinates are not given, only side length is given, that is 4 centimeter. Okay, by using this we have to find A coordinate, B coordinate. O is always what? Origin, that is 0 0, that we know. Okay, now in order to find this coordinate, A coordinate means it is in the point, this point is where it is in the line x-axis. Okay, it is in x-axis. So in x-axis means A 4 centimeter. That means from the origin this A point is 4 centimeter away. Okay, so 4 centimeter away means this point will be what? 4. Okay, so this is 4. Then y coordinate will be what? In the x-axis y coordinate will be 0. So 4 0. 4 0 is the A coordinate. Now we have to find the B coordinate. Okay, now in order to find the B coordinate we need x point and y point. Okay, x point we need, y point also we need. Now let's draw a perpendicular line towards x-axis, then only we can find the number in the x-axis, like this. Now here equilateral triangle is given. Equilateral triangle means by drawing a perpendicular line from the upper vertex, this base will be divided into two equal halves. So total 4 centimeter means this will be 2 centimeter and this will be 2 centimeter. Okay, so from 0 to this point 2 centimeter means this point will be what? 2 point. Okay, this point will be 2. That means this B coordinate, x coordinate will be what? 2, because towards here it is 2. This is 2 centimeter, not point. Okay, 2 centimeter. 2 centimeter means this is the exact 2 point. Okay, 0 1 2 like that. Okay, 1 2 3 4. So this is 2 means x coordinate of this point is 2. Now we need y coordinate. Y coordinate means towards y, what is the point that we have to write here. So in order to find this point we want to find the height. Okay, from 0 to this point what is the measurement, towards up what is the length. That means height of this line is the same, will be here. So this position we need to find. So for that let's consider this triangle. Okay, OBD, sorry, we can consider it as OBC. So triangle OBC, it is a right triangle. So triangle OBC, hypotenuse is 4 centimeter, base is 2 centimeter. So altitude BC equal to root of hypotenuse square minus base square, that is equal to hypotenuse is 4. So 4 square minus 2 square, that is 16 minus 4, that is equal to root 12. That means from C to B this height is what? Root 12 centimeter. So root 12 centimeter is the height, root 12 centimeter. That means this point will be what? Root 12. Okay, here same 0 to A 4 centimeter, that's why x-axis is 4. Okay, x coordinate is 4. Same like here from O to this point root 12 centimeter means that point will be, that particular point's number will be root 12. That means y coordinate is root 12. So 2 root 12 is the coordinate of B. Okay. Next is question number 5. A large trapezium made up of 4 equal trapeziums. Find the coordinate of the vertices of all these trapeziums. Draw this picture in GeoGebra. That section we don't want. First we have to find the coordinate of the vertices of all these trapezium. That's enough. this question, by joining four equal trapeziums, okay, four equal trapezium, one larger trapezium is creating. We have to find each and every coordinate, okay, each and every point's coordinate we have to plot here. Now here only thing given is this base measurement from O to this point, it is 8 centimeter. That is the only thing given. Okay, so O to this point 8 centimeter means this number will be what? 8. Okay, so 1 to up to 8. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, like this. Okay, now we have to mark all the points. So this is O. Let's mark the points as this is A, then B, C, D, E, then here one F, this is G, this is H. All these points coordinate we have to mark. Now here you can see in this base portion O to B, two trapeziums base are joined. Okay, in order to form OB, two trapeziums base is joined. So O to A, O to A is the base of first trapezium. That means this point is what? 4 here. Okay, 4 to A. Next is 8 good here. Now here this A point will be what? This A point will be x coordinate is 4 here. It is in the x-axis. So 4. Then y coordinate will be what? In the x-axis, y will be 0. So A coordinate is 4, 0. Next is B coordinate. B coordinate will be what? B coordinate here 8 centimeter means this point is 8. So it is 8, 0. Okay, now we need to find this C coordinate. So in this C coordinate, you can see this line is parallel to y-axis. Okay, this line parallel to y-axis means x coordinate will be same. So this is 8, 0. So x coordinate will be same, 8. So 8 is the x coordinate. Now we want to find a y coordinate. Now here you can see BC is the same like OA. Okay, base of the trapezium. DHBC is a same trapezium like OAGF. So OA and BC same. OA 4 centimeter means this BC will also be what? 4 centimeter. Okay, this BC 4 centimeter. Height to 4 centimeter. Height 4 centimeter means this y coordinate will be what? 4. Okay, because this is the same here also. Okay, here also will be 1, 2, 3, 4, like that. Okay, 4 centimeter. So this y coordinate will also be what? When you join to y axis, we will get the answer as 4. So 8, 4 is the C coordinate. Next is D coordinate. Okay, D coordinate. In order to get D coordinate, we want to find this position. Okay, this length we need. Then only we can subtract here. So for that, when you extend this line towards base, okay, when you extend this line towards base, you can see that this coordinate is what? 6 here. So x-axis is 6, x coordinate is 6, y coordinate will be what? Same, because same y coordinate 4 here. Okay, this line is parallel to y axis. So x we got 6 and y is what? 4, 6, 4. Okay, next is E coordinate. E coordinate also, when you extend this line to x-axis, you can see that this will end at what? 4 point. Okay, so x coordinate is 4. Now y coordinate is what? This is also 4. Okay, because the whole line, in this line all the x coordinate will be same. Okay, in this line is parallel to x-axis, so y coordinate will be same, that is 4 here. So E coordinate also we got. Next is F coordinate. For that also, just extend towards base. You can see that x coordinate is what? 2 here. So 2. Y coordinate will be what? Y coordinate, in order to get the y coordinate, just extend to y axis. It will end at the point 2. So F is 2, 2. This is x coordinate to y coordinate also 2. Next is G. Okay, in this G coordinate, you can see this G line towards down. What x coordinate is 4, so 4. Y coordinate is what, this line 2, okay, towards 2, so 4 2. Just by using scale you can write. Okay, so G also we got. Then H means this point towards down. X coordinate is what, 6, so 6. Y coordinate is what, towards Y coordinate, Y number is 2, so 6 2. Okay, so all the coordinate we got, and this coordinate is always origin. Okay, x and y axis intersect at the point O. So O coordinate is origin, that is 0 0. Okay, so this is the answer. Just by drawing the number line properly, you can mark the trapezium measurement. Okay, but when you draw the number line, be careful. Distance between each number must be same. Okay, that means like scale. Okay, using scale you have to mark. In scale, 0 to 1 1 centimeter, 1 to 2 1 centimeter, 2 to 3 1 centimeter, like that. Okay, the same rule you have to follow when you draw the number line. All the distance must be correct, then only you will get the correct coordinate. Okay, so be careful in that. Next is question number 6. In the picture, the center O of the circle is the origin and A, B are points on the circle. Calculate the coordinates of A and B. One circle is given in the question. Here in this question, a circle is given and the center of the circle is the same as origin. Okay, center of the circle and origin of the coordinate line also same. And it is given that O2A, angle between OA and this straight line is 30 degree and this is 90 degree, and radius is given as 2 centimeter. We have to find the coordinate of A and B. These coordinate we need to find. Okay, so for that, in order to find that get A, we need x coordinate and y coordinate. Okay, we need both the coordinate, but here nothing is given, only radius, 2 centimeter radius is given. Anyway, let's mark x. Okay, let's mark x line like this. Okay, like this, let's mark. Then we will get what, this coordinate. Okay, this point is what, this height is what, that will be y coordinate. This perpendicular line height will be y coordinate, and this from O to this point, O to this is C point, let's mark it as a C point. Okay, O to C, whatever be the distance, that will be x coordinate, and C to A, whatever be the distance, that will be y coordinate. Okay, so perpendicular line means this is 90 degree. Okay, now here we can consider what, right triangle, triangle OAC. Okay, so this is 30, this is 90, means this will be what, 60 degree. Okay, that means ratio concept we can apply here because only one measurement is given, so Pythagoras theorem is not applicable. So 30 60 90, what is the ratio, 1 is to root 3 is to 2. Now check the given measurement, then only we can identify the change. Now here 90 degree side is given. 90 degree side, what is given, it as 2 centimeter. By ratio also 90 degree opposite side is 2. So both are same, means no change here. So 30 opposite, 130 opposite, this is 1, 60 opposite, root 3. Okay, same values, no change. So this is root 3 centimeter, this is 1 centimeter. Then what will be x axis, x coordinate. Coordinate of A, x coordinate will be towards the horizontal line. Okay, so O to C distance is root 3 centimeters. So root 3 centimeter means C point will be root 3. That means x coordinate is root 3. Now C to A measurement 1 centimeter. Okay, 1 centimeter means C to A y centimeter means what? Y coordinate will be 1, because C to A, when you mark towards this measurement will also be 1. That means O to that point, 1 means 1 is the y coordinate. So A coordinate is root 3 1. Similarly, we can consider the next triangle. Same by drawing a perpendicular line towards down. Okay, now let's mark this point as D. Okay, same like this we can consider triangle OBD. Here also 30 here, 90 here. In a semicircle, we know angle is what? 180 degree. Okay, from this 180 degree, one portion 90 degree, one portion 30 degree. So 90 plus 30, 120. That means 180 minus 120, 60 degree. So this angle will be 60 degree. This is 90 degree. So this is 30. Again 30, 60, 90. Okay. Now here also ratio is 1 is to root 3 is to 2. Now let's check. Here OA is the radius, that is 2 centimeter. OB also what? Radius. So this measurement will also be 2 centimeter. Okay, this is also 2 centimeter. That means 90 opposite. So 90 opposite. Question wise it is 2 centimeter. Ratio wise also it is 2 centimeter. That means no change. That means 30 opposite will be 1. So 30 here opposite, 1 here. Then 60 opposite. 60 opposite means 60 opposite here it is, that is root 3 will be here. Okay, then coordinate will be what? Coordinate will be O2D. Okay, x-axis distance will be x coordinate, y-axis distance to that point will be y coordinate. So O2D distance is 1. So x coordinate is 1. Then y-axis distance to that point is root 3. So y coordinate will be root 3. So 1 root 3 is the b coordinate and a coordinate is root 3 1. Okay. Next subheading is rectangles. Here also concepts are same. Okay. Already I cleared all the concepts. The same concept we can apply here in this section also. So here rectangle means we know opposite sides are what? Parallel. For a rectangle, opposite sides are parallel. For rectangles and for squares. Okay. Now here we learn that points at a line. Okay, points at a line which are parallel to the x-axis. Okay, parallel to x-axis will have y coordinate what? Same. Parallel to x-axis means y coordinate will be same. And parallel to y-axis. Parallel to y-axis means x coordinate will be same. The same concept we can apply to find the coordinates of each and every vertices without drawing the number line. Okay, without drawing the number line we can identify that. For example, if we have two coordinate as 6 4 and 2 1. Okay, two vertices coordinate we have 6 4 and 2 1. We want to find these two coordinates. Okay, these two coordinates we want to find. In this case we can consider that parallel line concept. First one, let's consider 6 4. Okay, here this is 6 4. Just consider this line. Okay, this line is a perpendicular line and this is parallel to which line? Parallel to y-axis. Okay, this line is parallel to y-axis. That means whatever be the point in this line, that point's x coordinate will be what? Same, because this line is parallel to y-axis means all the points coordinate x will be same. That means here x coordinate is what? Here x coordinate is 6. Same here also. Okay, 6 will be the x coordinate. So next y coordinate we need. For that let's consider this line. Okay, this line let's consider. Here in this line 2 1. Okay, 2 1. When you consider this line, you can see that this line is parallel to x-axis. Okay, horizontal line, that means parallel to x-axis. If it is parallel to x-axis, we can say what? Y coordinate will be same. Parallel to x means y coordinate will be same. Which is the y coordinate given in this point? All the points y coordinate will be same. So only this point we have. That point's y coordinate is 1 here. Same 1 will be here also. So 6 1 is this coordinate. Now in order to find this one, either consider this line or consider this line. Any line you can consider. Okay, so let's consider first this line. So this is parallel to y-axis. This line is parallel to y-axis. So this line's y-axis parallel means x will be same. So in this line, x coordinate is what? 2 is a x coordinate. So here also x coordinate will be 2. Okay. Now to get y coordinate, let's consider x-axis parallel to x-axis. So x-axis parallel means y coordinate will be same. Which is the y coordinate here? In this line y coordinate is 4. So here also we can write as 4. Okay, so this is the main rule. Now here this 2 1 and 6 1. Okay, without looking into that number line, suppose the question is mark the given coordinates in position, okay, in the rectangle's position without drawing. Okay, in that case 2 1 means 2 1, this 2 means distance from the vertical line towards right. Okay, towards right or towards left depending on the sign. So 2 is the distance, okay, straight line distance, and this 1 is the height. Okay, that means this point will be 2. Okay, so this is from the origin distance is 2. Now this 1 means from the origin its height is 1. Okay, that also you need to consider. Okay, now let's move on to problems. Page number 139, first question. All rectangles below have sides parallel to the axis. Find the coordinates of the remaining vertices of each. Three figures given. Okay, sides are parallel to the axis. Three rectangles are given. Let's do first figure. Okay, so here in this first rectangle, two coordinates given. First one 2 4 and then -2 3. These are the two coordinates given. We have to find the coordinate of this one and this one. Okay, let's mark the points as A, B, C, D. Okay, now here we have to apply that parallel line concept. Here number lines are not given and it is specified in the question itself without drawing the number line. Okay, you have to mark the positions, not positions, points, coordinates we have to mark. Okay, so in order to find first one B, what we will do? First of all, let's consider the line AB. Okay, first of all, let's consider the line AB. This line AB is parallel to which axis? AB is a horizontal line, that means parallel to x-axis. Parallel to x-axis means all the points will have parallel to x, means y is the same. So in this point y coordinate is what? 3. So here also y coordinate will be 3. Okay, y coordinate will be 3. And this -2. Okay, now this -2 will be where? Consider this line AD. Okay, this line AD is parallel to what? Y-axis. Parallel to y-axis means x coordinate will be same. X is what? -2 is the x coordinate. That means here will be -2. X coordinate will be -2. Now let's consider CB. Okay, second line CB. This line is parallel to y-axis. Same y-axis means x coordinate will be same. So here x coordinate is what? 2. That means here also x coordinate will be 2. 2, 3. Okay, here in all the coordinate first number will be same. X will be same. Here also in this perpendicular line all the x will be same, -2 -2 like that. Now in this line second numbers will be same, that is 3 3. Here also 4, here means here also 4. Okay, like this you can do the next two questions. Okay, try to do that because I already explained two questions to solve like this. Okay, so try to do the next two figures. Question number 2. Without drawing coordinate axis, mark each pair of points below with left, right, top, bottom position correct. Find the other coordinates of the rectangles drawn with these as opposite vertices and sides parallel to the axis. 4 sub-questions given. Here in this question, without drawing the coordinate axis. Without drawing the coordinate axis means without drawing the number lines, we have to identify the position of the given coordinates in the rectangle. Okay, in a rectangle, the given coordinates will be where? Okay, total 4 vertex we have. Okay, out of this 4 vertex, where will be each coordinate? Okay, position of each coordinate we have to find. So here the first sub question, two coordinates 3 5 and 7 8 is given. So this is the rectangle, just a rough figure is enough. Okay, so in this rectangle where will be 3 5 and where will be 7 8. In order to check that, first of all check the x coordinate. For the first coordinate, x coordinate is what? This is x coordinate, this also x coordinate, and this is y, this also y. Okay, now in this x coordinate Both are positive. Okay, all the numbers are positive here. That means this rectangle will be in first quadrant. Okay, as I told you, both positive means first quadrant. In the first quadrant this rectangle will be. Now to find the position, here 3 and 7, as I told you, the first number x coordinate means it is the distance. Okay, it is the horizontal distance, okay, from the origin, or horizontal distance from the origin. So here 3 and 7, which one is the first number, 3 or 7? First is 3. That means in these positions first number will be 3. Okay, here in A or D this 3 5 will be, and this B or C this is 7 8 will be. Now next to find exact position A or D. Okay, 3 5 is A or D. In any A or D this 3 5 will be. Now to check that, consider the next coordinate, that is 5. Here the next y coordinate is 8. 5 and 8, which one is the starting number, first number? Moving upwards 5, after 5 8 comes. Okay, that means A coordinate will be what? 3 5. A coordinate will be 3 5. Then next is 7 8. So 7 8 means 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, x coordinate will be 7 here, then 5 here. So 5 6 7 8. That means C coordinate will be 7 8. Like this you can find. After getting these two numbers you have to find the remaining coordinate also. So here B coordinate will be what? 7 here means here also 7. Now in this coordinate 5 here, second number 5 means here also 5, 7 5. Next D coordinate will be what? 3 here, so here also 3. Then here 8. Okay, 3 8. So like this we can find the answer. Just count the check the position. Position means larger one and smaller one, x coordinate and y coordinate. For the x coordinate 3, after 3 7 comes, that means first 3 then 7. It can be here or here. Now in order to fix the position, check the y coordinate. Y is 5 and 8, that means 5 first then 8. So 3 5 here will be, then 7 8 will be here. Okay, this is first sub question. In the second sub question, coordinates are 6 2 and 5 4 given. Okay, so let's check x coordinate first. X coordinate 6 and 5. Okay, which comes first? 5 comes first. So 5 4 means it can be A or D. Okay, because 5 is the first number, after that 6 comes. So 5 4 will be at the point A or D. Now to fix the position, let's check y coordinate, that is 2 and 4. Okay, 2 and 4 means which comes first here? First number is 2. Okay, that means this position. Okay, this position is for 2. Okay, after that 4 comes, that means 2 3 4. Okay, so 4 comes here. Okay, that means 5 4 will be here. Okay, D coordinate will be 5 4. Okay, because out of these two, 2 is a smaller number, that 2 anyway will be here. Okay, because y axis is here, 2 3 4 like this. Okay, that means this 4 will be at the point D, 5 4 will be at the point D. Next is 6 2. Okay, so 2 means for this position, or all the points in this x line, the point will be 2. Now after 5, this coordinate anyway it will be 5, then 5 next will be 6. So this point will be 6 2. Okay, so 5 4 and 6 2. Next we can find C coordinate and A coordinate. So C coordinate, in this line all x will be same, that is 6. Now in this line all y will be same, that is 4. So 6 4. Next in this line y axis, okay, all x will be same, that means here also 5. Next is in this line all the y will be same, that is 2 5 2. So 5 2, after 2 3 4 comes, all the x is same. Okay, so this is the method. This is second sub question answer. Here the coordinate given as -3, 5 and -7, 1. Third sub question. Okay. Now here let's check first x coordinate. X coordinates are -3 and -7. Both are negative. That means it is moving towards left. Okay, moving towards left. That means origin will be in this position. From the origin it is moving towards left. Now let's check -3 and -7. Which comes first? -3 or -7 comes first? -3 comes first. So -3 comes first means it can be B or C. Okay, either B or C. For both the numbers, -3 anyway it is fixed. Okay, first one will be -3. Now we need to mark 5. So for that the second -3, 5 it at B or C. In order to fix that, let's consider y coordinate 5 and 1. Okay, 5 and 1. So in this y axis, which comes first? 1 or 5 comes first? 1 comes first. Okay, after that 5 comes. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 will be upward. That means -3, 5 will be here. Okay, now -7, 1. So A and D, x coordinate will be what? -7. For the D coordinate also, x coordinate will be -7. Now 1 will be where? 1, 2, 3, 4, then only 5 comes. So -7, 1 will be a coordinate. Okay, now here this y coordinate will be what? -7 already we have. So in this coordinate, all the x coordinate, all the y coordinate will be same. Okay, so here y coordinate is what? 5 is a y coordinate. So -7, 5 will be the coordinate. Now here in this line, all the which coordinate will be same? X coordinate will be same, that is -3. Now in this line we need one more coordinate to find here. So in this line all the y coordinate will be same because it is parallel to x axis. So -7, 1 means second number, 1 here. So this also 1. Okay, so same like this you can do fourth sub question. One more sub question is there. Very easy. If you have any doubt, you can just note down one number line like this. Then without marking that, you just approximately where it will be, just check that, then mark here. Okay, so try to do the fourth sub question. So second section also over. Hope you understood. Thank you. See you in the next video with the next section.